Are you considering new construction as an option? The decision to buy new construction or an existing home will depend on your personal preferences, your lifestyle, your budget, and priorities. It's important to keep in mind that new construction involves a significant investment of time and energy. You may need to choose a location, a floor plan, materials, colors, and appliances, and you'll have to coordinate with the builder and stay on top of construction progress to ensure everything is going according to plan. Research the builder and also the new construction community to ensure that builder has a good reputation and that the community is a good fit for your lifestyle. If you're considering new construction, make sure that you have representation. We are happy to help you explore your options and answer any of your questions.